Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create animations with frame exports in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is prepare your frame using artboards. If you are making it directly in Affinity Studio, if you have made your frames elsewhere, you can just bring it in and slice them up. But if you want to make an artboard, you just click on this icon here to go ahead and get this pop up, and then click on artboards, and then you have each frame for each artboard. Or what you could do is just bring in your image from the other software, and then what we will do is slice it up. And the way you do that is you come here to the top, click on slice. If you don't see this pop up, click on these three dots, make sure slice is enabled, and then what I want you to do is click here on slice tool. Then I want you to go ahead and start slicing this particular image frame by frame. So I'll make the next slice here and just replicate this whole process until we have each frame just like this. And once you are done, what I want you to do is just come here on the right hand panel. You'll see all the slices. I want you to click on export slices, and if you have it as artboard, just come here at the top left, click on file, click on export again. Make sure you're exporting it as PNG and the whole document, each artboard. Now what we are using is slices, so I'll click here on export slices. I'll choose the pictures folder, and then I'll make a subfolder here, and we'll go ahead and name this slices. We'll click on export. And then what I want you to do, once you have exported that, you will need to compile them into an animated GIF or MP4. You can use websites such as EasyGIF, it's completely free, or you can use other software as well, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. I'll just come here, click on a GIF maker, and now here you can drag and drop the files. I'll just come here and we will select these slices and we will drag them here. Now that we have all the files, what I'll do is come here, click on resize to automatically resize to the smallest frame, and then we'll click on make a GIF. And here we have our animated GIF. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.